We have addition of polynomials. How we add polynomials? When we add polynomials, we have to combine the like terms. It means we have to add the same variable with the same power. So let's see what we have here. We have z and z, y and y, x and x in the same columns. So we start from the last column. When we don't have coefficient is always 1. So when we have the same variable, we have to just copy this variable z, and we have to add the coefficients. 1 plus 2 is 3, positive number, so that's why I have to put plus before 3. Next, we have y and y, the same power, indivisible 1. So we copy the y, and we have to now add the coefficients because we have addition here. So I can write plus before the whole second row. So we copy variable, and now we have to just add coefficients before y. So we have 5 plus negative 3. So 5 plus negative 3 is 2. Positive 2. We always keep the sign the largest number. We have positive 5 and negative 3, so 5 is bigger than 3. So we have to keep positive sign, and we have 5 minus 3 is 2. And next, we have the same variable, so we copy this variable, and we have to add coefficients before x's. When we don't have any number, it means we have indivisible 1. So we have 3 plus 1 is 4. So my solution is 4x plus 2y plus 3z.